Now, the goal is to take all work from this layer stack, which started way back here, these 100 pixels that we enlarged, and take the results and start a document, a new layer stack, in order to achieve a different result. And you're going to learn some new skills along the way. And one of them is, what do? How do you get these pixels? Because right now up here, this is a smart object and it's got a camera off on it. Here's what you do. Shift, Command, N, E. Sound familiar? Okay, so you have the pixels on their own layer now. Command A to select all, Command X to cut. That now the pixels aren't there. Then you delete because you don't need that. Hit Command S, save your file, Command N to get a new file. App recognizes that there's something on the clipboard. Hey, do you want to use that? Absolutely. Make sure Artboards is off, create a new document, Command V, paste, Command E to merge down, and 0 to take this to full screen, and now ready to start our new layer stack. But we should save this. Now, think about what you're doing. I'm Command S. I don't want to name this thing. I want to come down here. I want to click on. Now I'm saving to Creative Cloud. You could save on your computer. You're still going to see your old files. Click on the other name, and then click after it, and O2, for the second layer stack. I could use a B, but then it would say demo and it would look weird. So, but however now these files are associated with one another with a common name, but this one obviously follows this one's footsteps. This was a journey. This is a separate new journey, working with the same pixels. Got it? I do all the time, and not just with geometry, with image. There are new skills you'll pick up. What you thought was complete, maybe a photograph you took enhanced, you thought it was wonderful. Well, take that full, make a new layer, cut it, open a new document, and use those new skills on it, see what you can come up with. Sometimes you need to start over from scratch, but sometimes, like here, this is just a natural starting point for part 2.